In this video, I want to talk about how you can buy and sell on eToro. Now, once you've created your account and you've deposited some funds, it is now time to buy some stocks. If you want to do a demo account, just click down here to switch to virtual, and you will have a demo account with 100K, I believe. Yeah. Then what you want to do is either go to discover or go to your watch list, type in anything that you want to buy. So it can be stocks or anything like this. And in my case, let's just choose stocks. And let's say you want to buy Microsoft. So click on this one, or you can search for one up here and just click trade. Once you're in here, you want to type in how much you want to buy for in dollars, or you can choose this and type in how many shares you want to buy. But let's just say you want to buy $500 worth of Microsoft stocks. Then simply choose buy. You can select a different orders here, but market order just means that you're going to buy it at the current price, which I like to do. So press buy, and the order has now been filled. And you can see if I go to my portfolio, I have now bought Microsoft. Now keep in mind, you can only buy and sell during the market when it's opened. So if the market is closed and you make a buy order, it will just automatically buy it once the market opens. Now to sell this order, what you want to do is either press close here, or if you have multiple ones, just click on it and then select a position. Let's say you made 5 buy positions, then you can select the one and press close here. Now let's say you have 500 worth and you only want to close 250, so half of it. Select it, press close, only some of it, and type in how much you want to close for. So 250, press close. And now you can see I've sold 250 and I have 250 left, right? So that is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.